Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to do zoom in effect in CapCut. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to open CapCut on your phone or tablet. Now click on the plus icon to create a new project. As you can see, I have a great video right here and I want to do the zoom effect. I am going to do or drag the video to the part where you want your zoom to start. And when the video is selected, click on the little keyframe button right here. This will add a keyframe to our video, and then drag the video a little bit. Then simply pinch to zoom with your fingers as you would zoom in a photo or video in your photo gallery. You don't have to add the keyframe, CapCut will automatically add a keyframe for you. If we go back and play this video, you can see a zoom in effect. You can add as many keyframes as you want, and the closer the two keyframes are in the video, the faster the zoom and animation will be, and vice versa. That's how you can do the zoom in effect in CapCut. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.